Good morning, friends. Myself Deepali Harchande. Today I am going to start with the new writing session, writing skill, which is dialogue writing. Let's start with the dialogue writing. Very first is, what is dialogue in writing? Let's see the meaning of it, or what is exactly in dialogue writing. Here few information I have given. A dialogue is a literary technique in which writer employ two or more characters to be engaged in conversation with one another. In literature, it is a conversational passage or a spoken or written exchange of conversation in a group or between two persons directed towards a particular subject. Means here the discussion between two or more people, two or more person, and they are engaged with conversing each other. That is known as dialogue writing. Two or more characters, they are conversing each other. That is known as dialogue writing. Now, what is an example of dialogue? Let's see. Dialogue refers to a conversation or discussion or to the act of having a conversation or discussion. Often we read outer dialogue which occurs between two characters as spoken language. Example of dialogue is, Lisa said, "Kill. I need help moving this box of toys of the garage sale." Here you will find out two characters are there, and amongst them they are conversing. So here two character means Lisa and second is Kill. So Lisa want help from the Kill. So she is saying something to Kill to do his task or do her work or do her task. So here is a dialogue. डायलॉग मीन्स दो लोगों के बीच में और दो और ज़्यादा लोगों के बीच में जो कॉन्वर्सेशन, जो संवाद होता है, उसको हम कहते हैं डायलॉग राइटिंग और डायलॉग्स. अभी यहाँ पे दो कैरेक्टर्स मैंने लिए हैं, एक है लीसा और एक है कील. सो उनमें एक बातचीत चल रही है. लीसा को हेल्प चाहिए, जो बॉक्स है वो मूव करने के लिए, हिलाने के लिए, इसलिए वो किल से कहती है कि मुझे हेल्प चाहिए, उसे हेल्प चाहिए वो बॉक्स मूव करने के लिए, गराज सेल के लिए. सो यहाँ पे हम कह सकते हैं कि ये डायलॉग है, संवाद है. नाउ सी what things we need to keep it in our mind while writing dialogues. Here is what you need to know to write forward focused dialogues. Keep it brief means dialogue जो रहते हैं आपके वो brief चाहिए, बहुत लंबे लंबे बड़े बड़े नहीं रहने चाहिए. It should not be lengthy, it should be brief. Dialogue shouldn't go over for pages and pages. This is the important thing. It should be small and brief but meaningful. Second, avoid small talk. Oh, this one is music to my introvert ears. Here, introvert ears, if someone is saying only that introvert's ears, so it is a small talk. So one should avoid the small talks. One should speak the whole sentence but in a brief manner, or in a very short manner, but not in a small manner or short manner. Third is, give your characters a unique way of speaking. If you are writing about a character, if you are sketching a character, give them a style of speaking. So in the style of speaking, you can use various tones, you can use various actions while talking also. You can use your own creativity while making that character unique. Then it should be consistency, means consistency should be there between the dialogues. Then one should create the suspense. So reader, they will be very interesting, or they will take interest in your writing. So it should be create suspense kind of dialogues. Then honor or respect the relationship. Whenever you will write anything about the characters, you need to keep it in your mind that you need to respect the relationships. Again, here let me tell you, avoid the slang language, avoid disrespectful language in the conversation, and it should be simple, brief, and interesting dialogues should be there in your dialogue writing. फाइन. सो यहाँ पे हमने क्या देखा है, जो आप लिखने वाले हो वो ब्रीफ रहना चाहिए, मतलब बहुत लंबे लंबे पेजेस नहीं लिखने हैं हमें, टू द पॉइंट हमें डायलॉग लिखने हैं. देन वेरी शॉर्ट्स टॉक्स, मतलब क्या, जो हम बहुत ही छोटे, बहुत ही कम शब्दों में जो लिखते हैं वो हमें नहीं लिखना चाहिए. उससे क्या होता है, मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग क्रिएट होती है. हमें बोलना कुछ और होता है, और जो पर्सन है, जो अनदर कैरेक्टर है, उनको मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग क्रिएट हो सकती है. तो हमें बहुत कम शब्दों में नहीं लिखना है, लेकिन जितने शब्द इम्पोर्टेंट है और यूज़फुल है लिखने के लिए, उतने तो शब्द हमें लिखने ही चाहिए. देन कैरेक्टर्स को यूनिक बनाना है, मतलब कुछ तो आपको स्टाइल देनी है उस कैरेक्टर को, बोलने की स्टाइल है और वो लैंग्वेज की स्टाइल है. तो क्या होगा, आपका जो डायलॉग है, जो दो लोगों में और दो या ज़्यादा लोगों में जो डायलॉग है वो बहुत अच्छा होता है. देन बी कंसिस्टेंट, मतलब ये जो कंसिस्टेंसी है, एक के बाद एक जो डायलॉग्स है वो आपको वैसे रखने हैं, और उसका कंटिन्यूएशन में आप अगर रखते हो डायलॉग तो वो अच्छा भी होता है और लोगों को मिसअंडरस्टैंड नहीं होता है. देन क्रिएट सस्पेंस, मतलब कुछ तो ऐसा रखो कि लोगों को ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग है, कुछ तो सस्पेंस है, कुछ तो रहस्य है इस डायलॉग में. ऐसा अगर आप कुछ लिखते हो तो वो भी बहुत अच्छा होता है. और जैसे मैंने बोला, रिस्पेक्ट, आप जो भी कुछ लिखान और जो भी कुछ लिखने वाले हो तो वो क्या रहना चाहिए, उसमें आपकी लिखाई में आपने रिस्पेक्टफुल लैंग्वेज का इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए. लोगों को ऑनर और लोगों को सम्मान भी देना चाहिए. ये सब आपको ये बातें याद रखनी चाहिए. नाउ लेट्स बिगिन विद द एक्चुअल डायलॉग राइटिंग. हियर आई हैव गिवन वन sample of dialogue writing. Scenario first, pre-exam phase. Pre-exam phase means before the examination or before starting the examination. So there is a discussion between Rohit and Mahesh. They are discussing about exam. यहाँ पे मैंने जो दिया है डायलॉग वो किसके बारे में है, रोहित और महेश है, ये दोनों एग्जामिनेशन के बारे में बातें कर रहे हैं. सो लेट्स सी what type of dialogues I have developed here. Very first, Rohit. How is your preparation for the exam going on? Mahesh. Not too bad overall. I am worried about English and chemistry. It is very tough. How is yours going on? Rohit. Mine is alright. I am also finding chemistry to be a bit challenging because of its vast syllabus and too much memorization in organic chemistry. Then Mahesh. Organic chemistry has been a problem for me too. Can we study chemistry together, at least the organic part? Rohit. Sure, I think it's a good idea. Can you help me in English subject? Mahesh. Yes, I can. Where exactly in English you are facing problem? Rohit. Thanks. Thanks, Mahesh. Prepositions and reading comprehension are the main problem areas for me. Mahesh. As far as prepositions are concerned, I can help you in understanding the rules, but for reading comprehension, you need to put in lots of practice to get better at it. Rohit. Okay, will do. How is your preparation going on for other subjects? Mahesh. Other subjects are more or less on track. Economics, however, seems to have an inexhaustible syllabus and do not think I will have enough time to revise the syllabus, to revise the subject. Rohit, thankfully, I don't have economics, but yes, I am also struggling to get enough time for revision. Anyway, we have to manage in whatever time we have. Mahesh, that's right. Okay, enough of talk. Let's get back to study. All the best for your next exam. Rohit, thanks. All the best to you as well. So, this is about the conversation or the dialogue writing in this lecture. Now, take the homework. Develop conversation between two friends on following topic. Topic is post exam. Rohit and Mahesh come out of the examination hall after finishing English paper. Now we have written about pre-exam. Now the homework is you have to write about the post-exam dialogues or post-exam conversation between रोहित and महेश. यहाँ पे आपको क्या लिखना है? रोहित और महेश ये एग्जामिनेशन हॉल के बाहर आते हैं इंग्लिश पेपर ख़त्म होने के बाद और उनमें कॉन्वर्सेशन होता है. तो आपको ये कॉन्वर्सेशन लिखना है, डेवलप करना है. So in this way we have covered with the dialogue writing part. If you have any doubt, any query, you can comment me in the comment box. So thank you. Have a nice day.